Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube video to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add a YouTube video on. Go to Pages and click on the page you want to work on. Let's add it on this chef page. First, click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. I will delete this block in order to have free space. First, select the section you want to add your YouTube video on. Then click on add block. Look for video and select video. You can resize it just like that and click on it and click on this little pen. To add your YouTube video, just click on this little plus icon and select add from link. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Copy the YouTube video link just like that and add it here. Wait a second and click on add. And just like that, you added a YouTube video to Squarespace. You can also use another or a custom featured image to replace this thumbnail from YouTube. Just check this option and add it from your library or from your computer. Let's add this image, for example. After finishing your editing, don't forget to click on this save button from this corner to not lose your editing. Click on exit and click on this little arrow to preview your website. This is your page URL, and to launch your video, just click on this little triangle. And this is how to add a YouTube video on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.